Hi guys, good morning. Today we'll see the apex trigger concepts. Right up now. So we have to create a trigger. Right, we have to create a trigger. Right, so before that we need to create a field. Right, under the account object, we have to create a matching billing address. So this is a checkbox data type. Right, so copy the field name, log into Salesforce. This we can go to the object manager. Under the object manager, we have account object. Click on that account object. Under the fields and relationships, click on here new button. Click on here new. Done. So here we have the checkbox option is the select the checkbox, then click on here next button. So what was the field name? That is a match billing address. Match billing address. Then click on here next and save it. So we created a checkbox. We created a checkbox. Next, we have to create a trigger. Right, we have to create a trigger. Right, on which object? That is on account object. That is on account object. This is the trigger name. So what was the trigger events here we have to use? That is the before insert and before update. Got it? So before inserting the record and before updating the record, we are executing this trigger. Clear? The next. So what was the condition? So match billing address is true. Match billing address is true. So whatever the field you created, so that should be true. Got it? And then after, so operation. Set the shipping postal code to match the billing postal code. Right? We need to assign the values. Right? So now you can go to the Salesforce org and just open the developer console. Right? So under here the setup, we have the developer console is there. Na? Click on the developer console, and so what we are doing, we are creating a trigger. We are creating a trigger, right? So let me copy paste the name of the trigger. Right, this is the account address trigger. Now come here, go to the file, click on here new apex trigger, select the option as a apex trigger. Then so what was the name? That is account address trigger. On which object? That is on account object. Select the account object, click on here submit. Click on here submit. Right, what was the trigger events we have to use? That is a before insert and a before update. Before insert and before update, we are executing this trigger. Am I right? So let me write the comments. Right, so runs this trigger runs on the account object. Right, on which object we are creating? That's on account object. Right, it executes it executes before before inserting, got it, a new record, new account record, new account record, right, or updating an existing record, updating an existing record. Got it? On which situation this trigger will be works? While you're creating the record or updating the existing record. Right? Only one record or multiple records? All the records, whatever the records we have inside the account object. Right? So for that, what we have to do? So we need to provide a loop. Loop through loop through each account each account record that is being inserted or updated. Right, whatever the record you are inserting and whatever the record you are updating, for all the records we are checking. Got it? So for right, account account acc colon trigger dot new, right, whatever the new record you are creating for those records. So here what was the condition? What was the condition? What was the condition? So we have the field we created now, that this is the matching billing address is true. Matching billing address is true. Come here. So now what we have to do? First we have to check if the custom checkbox, check if the custom checkbox, what's that field? That is match billing address is checked. Nothing but what? It's true or false. It's true. If it is true, then what we have to do? Right. So then, if the billing postal code, billing postal code is not empty, not empty. Right. Nothing but what? Not null. Right. So how we are defining these two things? If if ACC dot in that record billing address, right, a billing address, I think what was the API name of this field? This is the API, right? We have to provide the API name. Clear, right? So double equals to true, double equals to true, and ACC dot ACC dot ACC dot what's that? Billing postal code, billing postal code not equals to empty, null. That's it. Next, so if both the conditions are true, if the both the conditions are true, what we have to do? Copy the copy the billing postal code, copy the billing postal code into the shipping postal code, shipping postal code. Got it? Right. So how? ACC dot ACC dot shipping postal code, shipping postal code equals to ACC dot billing postal code, billing postal codes ends with semicolon. That's it. Save it. No errors. There is an error? No error. Got it. So now you can come here, trailhead. Just you can check this checkbox. Check the challenge to earn 500 points. Click on this. Done. We completed this. Got it.